So as I'm sitting here editing this video, realize there is music playing in the background, so I don't get hit for copyright. I'll just do a voiceover. You can see here we're using Amsoil European 5W40 full synthetic engine oil. Just doing an oil change at the same time that we rebuilt the transmission. Outside of that, we torqued the axle nuts. The torque specs is 147 foot-pounds. You back it off 1/2 turn, spin your wheel. It says half a turn. You just rotate your wheel or your rotor, your hub, but we spun it a little bit both directions, and then you re-torque it to 37 foot-pounds plus 60 degrees. My 3/8 digital torque wrench stopped at 122 foot-pounds, getting to 20 degrees. So I'm not really sure what that final torque is. So because I just eyeballed it. I put the ratchet straight up to 12 o'clock position. 3 o'clock is 90 degrees. 2 o'clock or 1.5, I guess, would be 45. So we took it to around the little over 2 o'clock range. Gets it pretty close. I might look into getting a different 1/2-inch torque wrench so I can get the angles right at that high of a torque rating. Talking about right here how Sean loves to get every drop of oil out of the containers. He will turn those bottles upside down and just let them drain. He's also running the Amsoil oil filter. You'll see the part number for that in the video. Talking about right here how the Mustang, I need to do an oil change to that. The Expedition, I need to do an oil change, and also I'll do a video on that. We will be dropping the transmission pan to do a drain and fill. I sent the Expedition to a shop to get it completely flushed, but they wouldn't do that. They would only do a drain and fill. So over the next few oil changes, I'll go ahead and do a transmission drain and fill so we can get the Amsoil ultra low viscosity fluid in there to hopefully help with the 10-speed transmission. There we go. Should run. We already ran it. Starting it won't be too exciting. It'll be if the gears actually work. The Amsoil sticker, huh? Oh, it's moving. Look at that. We got reverse to work. That can't be good. Alright. So reverse works.
Oh yeah. I gotta put antifreeze in it.
Oh, you got low light?
Yeah, it came on.
I told you we should have checked it first, Sean.
Well, it wasn't level.
He don't listen to me. I don't know what to tell you. And then He's got some special grill that you got to do something special to pop the hood. Yeah. Maybe he fixed it. I don't know. There she is in all her glory. My garage is a wreck. We built that table just to do the transmission build, so I don't know where that's going. I need to clean this area up, stockpile all the Amsoil stuff up on the shelves where it belongs. And then I think I'm going to put the sandblasting cabinet either there or I'm going to put it over on that side. I got to do something with the parts washer, which I bought just to clean the parts for the transmission build. So that needs to go somewhere. The welding table normally goes right here in the center along with the cherry picker, and the engine stand I normally just line right there in the middle. That normally is enough room to get stuff, you know, work on two cars at the same time. So it is a mess. I need to get this cleaned up. I'm so glad when this thing's out. Oh, reversing first. We got two of the gears right.
Hey, the speedometer works again.
Hey, there we go. Where's the
window?
There it is. And what clutch did we put in this?
South Bend.
Stage 2 daily?
Yep.
Okay. The second and third works.
I'm gonna say the grumbling is the tires.
Hope so. I don't think we're going very far. Where we're going? Just in the neighborhood? Or
Probably
taking it down?
I didn't check if that temperature sensor was leaking. I really want to get it into fit to see how that is. Sometimes the auto window works, sometimes it doesn't. But you'll go down, dude. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, no downshifting. Remember it said that in the directions.
Who follows directions, Sean?
I don't know, we didn't follow anything with the Mustang. You didn't tell me to break it in at all.
Yeah, see?
I
She
did
does.
say there was a break-in.
Yeah, she does good. Did it go in the first better?
I don't know, I still stuck it in second.
Oh. Pretty sure every manual I drive always goes into a different gear before I put it in first.
No, Mustang goes straight to first.
Oh, the exhaust is on your side, eh? So we can't show off the big injectors.
No, plus it said not to go wide open. You want to glaze the clutch over.
Yeah, but if you're only at 2,000 RPM,
It
if you can't downshift and you get out of first, then how do you go back to first? Because no matter what, you would be downshifting.
Yeah, but no downshifting and then be like, Mom.
It said that?
Yeah, it
No.
said no downshifting. Right in the directions. For I don't know how many miles was it? 800? 1200?
You gotta document how many miles you're at.
1.6.
So, 12, 321,200. Say it on the camera, so now we can look back to it. If you make it a full 800 before flooring it or getting crazy, you're better than I am.
Yeah, I don't really floor it that often in fear of something's gonna break. Like pretty much just in your driveway.
What? So every time he comes to the house, he does a burnout. No matter what vehicle. Did you do a burnout when nobody was home
No.
today?
Plus,
No?
remember the Chevy didn't do one. It was like, brrr, and it just went all slow and shit. Yeah. But the other day, leaving when Hunter and his little friend were out there, and the tires were all muddy, I was like, wham! And it spun. Ready for this new fifth gear?
No?
I don't really know. There's no difference.
Oh, so that's right. We put a different fifth gear in it.
Well, no, because I'm pretty sure now it'd be like above $2,000. And I'm under.
What are you, 1800? 17?
18 something and 60. But if it went higher, they said like hills, and if you have hills, you're always gonna be downshifting. Like that's a 70 plus cruiser.
Why don't you turn out on 301 and go up that hill? That'll tell you. Like how it does on
I
fifth
know to
gear.
go up the hill because I don't downshift when I go up hills.
I know, but with the new fifth gear.
It'll still go.
Sure?
Yep.
So that was one of the mods we did, was a new fifth gear ratio. And you went with the
681.
0.681 for highway fuel mileage.
Yeah, like that's definitely lower.
So what is next on the agenda for your stuff, I guess?
Gotta fix the AC in the Silverado. I've had everything to do it for almost a year now.
I do not have an AC machine
For what?
to do AC stuff.
So like you mean like that you give it back to the atmosphere where it's from?
No. Oh my gosh. No, we don't do that.
No, even the government doesn't do that.
I am AC certified. I just don't have the machine. Did it work?
Yeah, right into first. I guess no one's. Oh no, someone's coming.
So AC in the Silverado's next. When are we doing the Mustang stuff, Sean?
When we sit down and buy it.
Buy the parts.
Yeah.
Then we're doing heads, cam, intake, headers.
Yeah, because they said the stock ones won't fucking work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's definitely lower. There's 60-ish. Like a little above 18. I think they said it was like 1840 with 60. now it's 104.
Well, it only works if you do it at the same
Yeah, well, like we'll
outside air temp.
Yeah, we'll like start it, check it, and then
Swap it.
swap it and check it again.
We can do that.
Right now we're using 0.79 gallons per hour.
Rumble strips.
I don't know at 2 IGN is. There we go, load. You see it's at like 44% load.
I don't know why load determines if fifth gear gets burned up.
I don't know, because like they barely hit the gas and it goes up to like way more.
Yeah. That's the other thing we did was the fifth gear oil mod. Drilled the holes in the case to allow more fluid to get to fifth gear, especially if you run low. It'll still supply good oil to it. But that should do it for the Jetta. It should be moving out of the garage now. We'll check for leaks, right? That's the other thing, right? So we'll do a leak check, and then outside of that, we're done with this. Do some regular maintenance on the personal vehicles and get back on the shop truck. Gotta get that ready. May is coming quickly. Rear should be here in 2 weeks, hopefully.